Michigan. And what is it, September? It's like 80 degrees. You can see it doing about 6 knots.
You see, I remember how you said that sometimes it gets just a little hard being home.
After a few beautiful sunset sails, it was time to put the boat away for winter and begin our long list of renovations.
See, it was late, I dropped your home.
I immediately started jumping into cubbies to begin updating all the electrical work. I am completely technologically challenged, so the details of all the work are lost on me. What I do know is that Kyle had to rewire the entire boat to get ready to install the new autopilot, instruments, and chart plotter.
But you can't blame that I wasn't always around. See, I kept my guard up because you were the one to run away.
What are you working on?
What's that?
What are you working on?
Some electric. The AC side.
But you can't blame that I wasn't always around. See, I kept my guard up because you were the one to run away.
While Kyle was busy updating all the electrical work, I was in charge of sanding, scraping, and refinishing the teak. We took a little break from the boat and headed down to Chicago for the annual boat show. While we were there, we solicited some amazing family and friends to help us out with some projects.
We could see the world, we could see the world, we could see the world. Oh.
Boys are busy rebuilding the Windlass and working on a few things for the Bilges and doing all sorts of stuff.
What do you think?
Beautiful. What is it?
It's like the piece for the motor cover for the windlass.
Oh,
Didn't realize it would be recorded.
always.
Always.
So this is the Windlass.
It's a mess. It's getting better though. Parts are cleaning up. Cross your fingers on those going in there.
Let's see it. Yes. We quickly learned that one of the biggest challenges of refinishing a boat in Wisconsin is constantly battling the weather. We took advantage of a rare warm day and did some fiberglassing, including reinforcing the mizzen mast support. It wasn't long before the heart of winter hit. It was time to button her up and get out of Dodge for a bit.
See the world, see the world. See the world, see the world. See the world, see the world. See the world, see the world.
Whoa. Okay. It's not too bad. It's not that bad. Do this. I'm gonna go take a peek at the boat. God, it's gonna be 40 out.